Hey everyone, welcome back to Zenith Arcadia. Today we are diving into a crucial part of Township that often gets overlooked, upgrading your drains. If you have been struggling with finding building materials like bricks, slabs, or glass, or if your barn is constantly overflowing because you can't expand, this guide is exactly what you need. We are going to cover why these upgrades are the lifeblood of your town's economy and exactly how to prioritize your resources. Why do you have to upgrade your drains? Upgrading your drains isn't just about making them look cool, it's about pure efficiency. Every drain you send out is an opportunity to bring back the expansion tools you desperately need. By upgrading, you achieve three main things: faster turnaround times so you can send them out again sooner, and increased frequency of building materials appearing in your crates, better rewards overall. If you want to expand your town and your barn capacity quickly, focusing your resources on the train station is honestly the best investment you can make in the entire game. The upgrade progress. So how do we actually do this? You can upgrade your train from Academy of Industry. To perform these upgrades, you are going to need ingots, bronze, silver, gold, or platinum. These are produced in your foundry. A quick tip here, try to keep your foundry running 24/7. The higher level of your train, the more valuable ingots you will need. So start stocking up now. Strategy. Which bonuses to pick? Now here is the real strategy. You will have to choose between three bonuses: time reduction, XP bonus, and material bonus. My top advice, focus on time reduction first. Getting your trains back 50% faster is a total game changer. Once you've reached a comfortable speed, switch your efforts to the building material bonus. My advice is honestly ignore the XP bonus for now. At the end of the day, those expansion materials are what will help you grow your town, not just extra XP. And that's how you optimize your trains. Keep that foundry busy, prioritize your time reduction, and you will see those expansion tools rolling in. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more township tips. Let me know in the comments what level are your trains currently at. I would love to hear how your train is coming along. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.